In this video, I will demonstrate how Veritas Alta Enterprise Resiliency SecureFS features protects Oracle database from malware attacks and data corruption. Veritas Alta Enterprise Resiliency not only provides fast failover for your Oracle database in the event of a node failure, but it also delivers an additional layer of security to protect against ransomware and data corruption. Veritas Alta Enterprise Resiliency SecureFS feature is an application-aware, immutable checkpoints that are created automatically based on configured schedules. Immutable checkpoints are I/O and storage efficient and enable you to restore Oracle database very quickly with rollbacks in the event of a malware infiltration. There is also a secure clock, which keeps track of time on your system such that the file system's retention periods cannot be subverted. Let's review the environment. From VM, the centralized management console for Veritas Alta Enterprise Resiliency, we can see two nodes which consist of an Oracle database single instance installed and configured in active passive mode. The clustered file system which holds the Oracle data is concurrently mounted on each of the instances such that if the active instance fails, the Oracle database is restarted on the passive node quickly. There are two file systems configured for the Oracle database and mounted. From the Server tab, we can configure these file systems with the SecureFS feature. From the pop-up dialog box, select Oracle as application type and specify the location of Oracle Home, Oracle user, and SID, as well as how often to take the checkpoints, the number of checkpoints to keep, and the retention period for these checkpoints. Configuration of SecureFS via VM will automatically set the schedules of the checkpoint, select all the file systems for the Oracle database, and creates the resources within the Oracle service group that defines a process agent that makes a file system as a primary on the node where the Oracle database resource is active. From the Server tab in Volumes and Snapshots tab, the checkpoints can be viewed. Let's now simulate a ransomware attack. The screen is split into three views: VM, the central management console, the command line shell, and the Oracle SQL developer, which currently shows the contents of a table in the database. Before we simulate a ransomware attack, let's review the checkpoints using the command line. From the command line, we can see the checkpoints are marked as warm, indicating that these checkpoints are immutable. If we try to mount these checkpoints as read-write, the operation will fail. Users may mount the checkpoints as read-only to either recover a particular file or a set of files that has been corrupted, or run third-party malware scanning tools on the file system to validate the data is clean before restoring. For ease of recovery, there's also an option to do a database checkpoint restore, which will restore all the data for the Oracle database, including the redo logs and archive logs at a particular point in time. To simulate an attack, I will use the Linux ccrypt utility to encrypt the database and log files from the Aura data directory. The result of this command would be an encrypted file with a CPT extension. Since Oracle is under control of the Veritas Alta Enterprise Resiliency for high availability, we would need to first freeze the Oracle service group to prevent a failover of the services to the other node. In some scenarios, the failover may have already been done, or some services may be down due to the malware attack. In these scenarios, extra steps may be needed to enable some of the services on one node to restore the database. After we freeze the Oracle service group via VM, shut down the database either through SQL Plus or using Linux commands to kill the Oracle processes. Once all Oracle processes are shut down, get a list of available checkpoints and select the name of the checkpoint to restore. Upon successful completion of the restore, make note of the SCN number and log on to Oracle and start up the database. Do a recover the database until the SCN number, then recover the log file, and then reset the logs. If applicable, alter the pluggable database as open read-write. After a few moments, the Veritas Alta Enterprise Resiliency monitoring agents will recognize that the resources are up and will automatically clear the faults. From the SQL developer, we can reconnect to the database and we can see that the Oracle database has been restored. After all the faults have been cleared and resources are up and running on one node, unfreeze the service groups. From this video, we have shown how Veritas Alta Enterprise Resiliency SecureFS feature protect Oracle database against ransomware and data corruption. Thank you for watching.